Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. So khuluma nge-improvement ye-Kaizer Chiefs compared to last season nanokuthi amagoli akhona and then isivale ngama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs abake bawasayina a-disappoint-e kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, asiqale nge-log bafethu or ama-league standings. This season already sebana 22 points. 22 points in just 11 games bafethu kuphela. Last season badlala amagame awu-28, guess what? Babe na-32 points kuphela. So into ebahlukanisayo between manje na-last season i-10 points kuphela. Basasalelwa amagame amaningi kakhulu. It shows i-improvement e-serious for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngiyazi ukuthi khona abantu abaningi bebathi hayi they won't even make top 8. Namanje basayisho into yakhona yenza kahle kakhulu i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, kumele siyincome. Ngiyazi ukuthi into e-frustrate ama-fans kakhulu ama-draws. Ama-draws abuhlungu, bewabuhlungu kakhulu because of ama-draws anama-opportunities nje a-clear bekumele i-Kaizer Chiefs iwashaye but-ke babahluleka ukuwashaya. But-ke as long manje baphikhaphile, ba-improvile futhi ngamagoli babuye ukushaya nje 4 goals against Obithi, bashaye 3 goals against what is this team, AS Simba. So i-improvement e-serious le. Futhi-ke ney'trayikha zakhona zonke iy'trayikha ezintsha sezikorile. That's impressive. Mawubheka laphana kuma-top goal scorers waku-P_S_L, ukhona laphana uSilva, futhi uSilva usadlale nje just 5 games ku-league but una-4 goals and udlala ama-minutes amancane kakhulu. Isikhathi esiningi ungena boma-second half but uyakwazi ukuwashaya amagoli. Khona nala he was not even making the match day squad, so ama-match amaningi akawadlalanga. Usemuva nga-6 games compared to abanye abantu abadlale wonke ama-games laphana ku-Betway Premiership, but i-goal record lakhe lihle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. NoVilakazi laphana, no, uShabalala naye ukhona ngama-goals wakhe awu-3 eligini so far this season masibheka laphana. Umuntu onamagoli amaningi kunabo bonke bafethu so far uDion, lo odlala laphana ku-Golden Arrows una-7. uGrobler noReynolds, the biggest strikers in the country makusaqala isizini, bamshaya nje nga-2 goals kuphela uSilva. So improvement from ama-department a-different ukuthi finally basitholile i-strike esizokwazi ukubasiza sibashayele amagoli. Ngifuna ukungena kule nto le before ngimove. U-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uthe u-Cedric Keza by the way, uthe uMfundo Vilakazi kumele a-improve kwamanye ama-department. So ukhulume ngendaba yefiziki, uyasho ukuthi uyi-player vele elisizayo ukuya phambili but-ke ubalile ukuthi umncane. Uthi sometimes-ke ukuba technical kwakhe lezi zinto zakhe zokuya phambili ukusiza ngeke athembele kuzo kuphela. Yabo, kumele akwazi ukuba physical, kusho ukuthi kumele abe strong ngoba ama-players waku-P_S_L azokugudluza nje lesimanzolo amabhola. Uthi yizo iy'ndawo ekumele a-improve kuzo laphana, kusho ukuthi angafocus nje endaweni eyodwa. La uchaza ukuthi nje uVilakazi kumele akwazi ukumaka bafowethu. Uchaza leyo nto leyo, akwazi ukumaka, akwazi ukulwela ibhola, i-physique yakhe ibe strong, akwazi ukusebenzisa i-physicality yakhe. Uthe bayazi ukuthi uma kuyiwa phambili uyakwazi ukuba-create-ela ama-opportunities noma ama-chance uGoody kuleyo nto leyo. But into ekumele a-improve kuyini? I-physique nokusiza i-team in terms of ukumaka uma bangaliphathanga ibhola. But simbonile i-bit of improvement kuVilakazi, kusho ukuthi lento eshiwo ucoach uyayenza manje, cause simbone la i-Kaizer Chiefs ingaphethanga ibhola i-attack e-Orbit College, wakwazi ukubuyela emuva wadifenda lela bhola lela to kwaba i-corner kick, right? So it shows i-improvement from yena ku-personal scale yakhe or personal side ukuthi uyabalalela u-coach if badimanda ukuthi yabona uma engaliphethanga ibhola akwazi uku-tracker back. But my question also is that kanti yaphelelaphi lento lokuthi amanye ama-players omaka amanye awamaki? Ngiya-understand i-modern football kuthiwa akumake wonke umuntu, but khona umuntu i-strength sakhe akusukumaka at all, so akumake laba abanye mhlawumpe abawu-9 egrawundini. Into esiyibonayo previous games like Kaizer Chiefs i-struggle-a bebadlala nani konje, ngizokhumbula. U-Ighodaro simbona tracker back aze ayomaka, mababamba ibhola akanawo leyo pace ukuthi asheshe aye ebhokisini njengabanye abadlali or agijime, so kumele akhave i-distance ende. I mean, I think u-coach kubalulekile fine, but bane-style sakhe ukuthi okay osibani bani abawu-2 abamake nokumaka bayacabangela nje egrawundini ukuthi okay, njengoba i-team yami bayi-attack-a babamba ibhola, makubanjwa ibhola so attack-a kanje nakanje, bahlezi babheke lawo ma-spaces lawo, bazokwazi i-team izokwazi uku-improve. Hhayi ukuthi kumakwa wonke umuntu or wonke umuntu kumele i-strength sakhe kube ukumaka, but-ke i-modern football bafowethu benza kanjalo, angeke siba-blame o-coach, yonke i-team yenza kanjalo, uma bangaphethanga ibhola everyone uyamaka, whether uyi-star se-team yini uyamaka. Bancane kabi abantu abangamaki bafowethu at all ema-team-ins. Futhi ku-world football wonke umuntu uyamaka unless ngikhumbula coach we-Liverpool athi as long as ungasuye uMessi hamba omaka, uzomaka uma ungasuye uMessi. So yeah man, what a life ukuthi ibhola seli-change kangaka. But yeah, so far i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu iqale kahle kakhulu isizini. Asingeneni kuma-player bafowethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs bawasayina, kunama-expectations are-high but lama-players lawa I won't blame them direct ukuthi but-ke i-move yabo kwaba i-disappointment. Ukufika kwabo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu kwaba i-disappointment enkulu, kwaba i-disaster. Ngizobala nje uDrogba Ndulula, if niyamkhumbula uNdulula bafowethu. I think wasayina i-2-year contract Kaizer Chiefs, ngathi azange adlale i-2 years zonke. Mina bengiqala ukubona i-player abalisayinile lingadlali isizini yonke, ngagcina ukumbona ku-pre-season games, ngaqala ukuyibona ngayo lento le, and sikhumbule ukuthi wayeyi-senior player lo muntu lo, but-ke kuthiwa waye-affected by ama-injuries noma ebuya, azange izinto zimhambele kahle laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because ngiyakhumbula ngathi bamsayina wasuka ku-Orlando Pirates waya kuMaZulu if angenzi iphutha, and then uMaZulu kula washaya khona amagoli amaningi, i-Kaizer Chiefs yakwazi ukumsayina, but-ke mayafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs waba affected by ama-injuries, wayekhala ngokuthi behlezi elimele, yeah maybe ezinye izinto ezama-affecta, but-ke i-move yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs if beyi-affected ngama-injuries heavy azange imsebenzele, and weza as a high profile player edlalele i-Orlando Pirates eline-experience eligini. uSiyanda Xulu, another high profile, futhi-ke this one is like one of the highest profiles abake balisayina because already bebuya phesheya, udlalile nakuMamelodi Sundowns. So mesayina laphana Kaizer Chiefs beku-expected ukuthi uSiyanda Xulu uzoshintsha izinto, uzokwenza i-defense e-Kaizer Chiefs ibe more stable, but it was just a waste of imali for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngithi waste because of ku-interview washo ukuthi yena was one of the highest paid players as i-defender, kusho ukuthi bekazi ukuthi ayi bekayikha ngamafosholo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs imali, but-ke azange adelive at all for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, at all, zero. Akakhunjulwa, I think mangisho uSiyanda Xulu abantu abaningi abakhumbuli nokuthi uke waba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Hhayi uKaleb-ke, yeah, I won't even dive to yena because into yamanje abantu bambonile ukuthi kube yi-strike esinjani, ulaste one season. Kingston Carter waba nama-moments wakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs but ne-love and hate nama-fans. U-Kingston Carter, I think ama-fans bewa-react-a kakhulu kuye, same way as uShiva Vero beseyakhathela ama-fans because u-Kingston Carter bekheja kakhulu. Bongani Sam umuntu wamanje naye ongazange adlale kakhulu. In fact azange adlale nokudlala isizini yonke ku-Kaizer Chiefs, just a waste of money. Asibuyeleni kwabanye, let's track back kancane. uSiphelele Ntshangase bafowethu wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs kunebhazi enkulu around yena, kuthiwa ithalente siyamazi manje sekadlala ko-third division, i-career yakhe ivele nje yanyamalala ku-professional setup, futhi akekho umuntu omthatha serious, noma seyahamba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs izinto azange zamhambela kahle, asazi ukuthi ibhade noma yini, but kwakune-hype enkulu. Ngikhumbula ama-teams ambanga le nale, ngapha nangapha, Kaizer Chiefs yakwazi ukumthola, ishaya no-number 10 laphana Kaizer Chiefs, but izinto azange zisebenze. Asazi ukuthi i-hard work noma wa-relax-a kakhulu umfowethu mayefika ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I don't know what went wrong, because bamnika isikhathi sokuthi abe khona laphana eNaturena, but something was just off kuye laphana umfowethu, azange izinto zimsebenzele ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean elinye iplay engingalibala uRyan Moon, nali elinye iplayer bafowethu, I'm sure abanye abantu bayakhohlwa nokuthi like ladlala i-Kaizer Chiefs. Angazi bekangasiwo umuntu we-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, to be fair, akusi i-type ye-Kaizer Chiefs, especially that time, because Kaizer Chiefs beyisasenayo le pedigree ukuthi okay i-Kaizer Chiefs izinto ezinjalo. Azange aperform at all for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean i-striker i-hard worker, but-ke quality akanalo leyo quality. Even ama-goal record wakhe uma uwabheka uyabona ukuthi hhayi mancane kakhulu, bafethu ale phansi ukuthi angasayina ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think omunye esingamkhumbula u-Anthony Agay, yes. U-strong laphana wafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngefizikhi, but-ke labantu laba beza ngey'mali futhi bafethu ngama-big contract, but-ke naye azange umfethu akwazi ukuphefoma for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Khona uMuleko, I think wayedlalile i-right back for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, wahlala for isikhathi esidenyana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke laphana ku-right back azange abasolvele iy'nkinga zaku-right back, to be honest, azange abasolvele. Bekuney'khathi la kubonakala ngathi uzoba khona, but zange aphelele ndawo. Ubasayina nolona noManqele, it was just bekumele ngabe uzoba-save in terms of ukushaya amagoli, but-ke azange enze i-difference uManqele. Manqele waduma kubi kakhulu konje ku-Free State Stars if ngikhumbula kahle bafowethu, la washaya khona beshaya amagoli amaningi, but mefika ku-Kaizer Chiefs azange isebenze imove yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Enye i-disappointment enkulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ulona uSithebe, wayedlalela AmaZulu. Already kumaZulu bamthola kabuhlungu because of babelwa namaZulu, bamhlalisa ebhentshini kumaZulu ma-6 months mabezwa ukuthi usayine i-pre-contract ne-Kaizer Chiefs, kwakuyi-mess after mess. Kaizer Chiefs azange bafethu, cishe afane noSiphiwe Shabalala by the way, because of banama-dreads bobawu-2, abantu bebacabanga ukuthi baya-identical, babafanisa isikhathi esiningi, but yeah, isikhathi sakhe azange sisebenze ku-Kaizer Chiefs at all. Omunye yabona ama-player engiwashoyo bafethu, siyawakhohlwa nokwakhohlwa ukuthi ake afika ku-Kaizer Chiefs amanye engiwashoyo la. Ngifuna ukubala, okay, bakhona Akumu, hhayi, khona omunye bebathi ubani le player leli, uKaziviro noma uKazivaro. Bonke lawo ma-player lawa azange a-ede nix ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nix, zero, no impact, lutho, naboMacha, lutho. Babuye ema-country-ni wabo, kulawo ma-country lawa kuthiwa-ke bazoshintsha izinto ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but abakwazanga ukushintsha izinto, to be honest. So uyabona masibheka kule list lena bafowethu, la bantu engibabalile abanye, especially laba abasayinwa from amanye ama-team, they never hit the ground running ku-Kaizer Chiefs, babalethele more problems. Kusho ukuthi uma ubheka ama-signings we-Kaizer Chiefs amaningi throughout the years, kusho ukuthi singabala abantu more than 50-ke bafowethu ababasayinile, but-ke abangenzanga i-difference that much laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then they set Kaizer Chiefs back because of if uzosayina umuntu and then ahluleke, i-loss because of manje you invested so much money to get this person to the team, only for them ukuthi they don't live up to the expectation ukuthi bakwazi ukuperforma for i-team, which is sad, right? And then I wanna go recently-ke uKhama Billiat wasayina laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns. To be fair, abanye abantu uKhama Billiat talent siyalazi, but there was something off laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, yabo, khona izinto bezingahlangani. I-pressure futhi nakuKhama Billiat beyi-too much, abantu bekhuluma ukuthi uhola kakhulu for mahhala, beba-expect ukuthi asave i-team. Kiko Ntoli naye i-experience same problem, he was supposed to be the saver of i-team. I-pressure iba too much laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bayawasayina ama-high profile players, ababheke ukuthi lawo ma-high profile players azotshintsha izinto ethimini, but unfortunately lawo ma-high profile players ayahluleka at times ukutshentsha izinto ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, hhayi ziyakhala, abo-Castro bafikile abantu, o-Castro babe nama-moments wabo, but Kaizer Chiefs mina ngiyazi ukuthi abolokhunjana bafethu, boKhambole bafikile nabo. Khona omunye bamsayina ubani, uDax noma uDax lo wase-Madagascar. Yeah, kwaba nama-transfer saga, kwaba nama-dispute, but azange adeliver laphana mfowethu. Baningi abantu abafikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke there was no difference abayenzile. Sithembe ukuthi going forward they will try to be calculative, and then bathole ama-player abawafunayo, ama-player abaziyo ukuthi azobhenefitha i-team going forward. Hhayi ukuthi basayine just for the sake of ukusayina nje ukuthi kugcwale inamba, no, they have to sign ama-players azokwazi ukucontribute for i-team. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.